Okay, today might be a very, very short video, but here's our unit here. We have a 4-ton, and we have this monstrosity here, and we only have 8x8 duct, and then a couple 6 oval, all right? So we have that. The guy, I guess, couldn't find the unit, so he sold him a 5-ton. The 5-ton unit goes all the way up to here, which leaves like 10 inches. So not only will it deadhead, but you lose almost all your ductwork. This ductwork for sure cannot handle a 5-ton system, and it's getting a 20K heat pack. So there's no way that'll handle that at all. And on a second note, I have never seen this before. All right, so we couldn't do that job. The unit we had was way too big. They had a 4-ton there, 3 to 4-ton coil on the inside and a 4-ton on the outdoor. The salesman decided to put a 5-ton outdoor and a 4 to 5 coil air handler on the inside, which made it way too tall. The ductwork is undersized as it is, so it would have never have worked right. And we searched for the right size equipment, couldn't get it in time. So now the guy, you know, has nothing to going for him. But the best part is the unit essentially worked. The outdoor was a little ghetto, but he thought he was getting his system done. So he took it upon himself to take off the outdoor board, take out the capacitor, and start taking stuff apart that we originally replaced over the years to try and resell it. So now he really does not have any AC. He's got the electric backup heat. That's pretty much all he has. So now, once we get that equipment in, it's so freaking busy that we have no idea when we're going to be able to get back to this guy and actually do the job. And it could have been avoided if the salesman actually, you know, took the time to measure it and realize, hey, that unit's not going to fit. Let's get the right unit. But if you've been doing this for as long as I have, you've at least seen your fair share of at least 1 or 2 salesmen that just suck ass. And all they do is they go in, they sell it, and then you get there and you got to figure it out yourself, and it turns into a shit show, and you waste half your day trying to figure it out, and you just wind up getting screwed in the end. So in this case, the homeowner kind of got screwed, but I mean, there's really nothing I can do for him. So again, I got to dick around, do some scrapping at the shop, cut up some stuff, and now I'm heading home for a nice early day, which is good because it's been raining and pouring all day. So I hope you enjoyed this very short video. You at least got to see all the lovely ghetto rig stuff at this dude's house. And yeah, tomorrow will definitely be better. I'll actually have a real video tomorrow. So you guys have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe.